welcome.
Wow.
So this is the progress so far. We're ready to start installing the bar, and all the walls, internal walls, have been completed.
What are these white blocks?
That's Hebel lightweight blocks to create the walls for the open bar.
Oh, they are like
Yeah, much easier than throwing
wow.
grey concrete blocks around.
That's really clever.
So we'll form up, we're going to do a concrete bar top here, and a concrete bar top here, and a concrete bar top on the rear, the far corner, and some joinery here. This is our feature wall here,
Okay.
in a beautiful green tile, which will look really good.
From the region, obviously.
Of course.
And then what kitchen equipment are you going to have?
We have 4 fridges here, a 4-door fridge, two double door fridges here,
Right.
joinery under the bar there, and our dishwasher and our basin over here,
Right.
and more joinery here to store stuff away. Yeah.
And then the coffee machine.
Coffee machine, I'm waiting.
The big VB double, whatever it is.
So they left Italy on Monday,
Oh, right.
and I've been waiting here every day since. One machine has landed in the centre of France for another client.
Right.
I have a client in Contiac who's also part of this order, so it's killing me, waiting. But we were the first order out of after coronavirus, and the last order before holidays.
Right.
So I'm very happy they left. Over here we have this is our tea and coffee preparation room, and this is where our excess cold store is, our fridges, our Tabler electric.
So you're not going to be doing the tea and coffee in front of everyone?
Oh, okay, so when we're making tea and coffee to drink here,
Yeah.
but when we're packing,
Oh, right.
when we're packing on vrac, it must be done in a clean room,
Yes.
and for hygienic reasons. We've got some, we just put this on to see what we thought of it, and I think we like it, considering the name of the business.
Yeah.
Um,
The Grange.
So we'll probably do skirting, architraves, all around the pod. We've done white rustic enduit, so it's deliberately rustic, if anyone's asking. And a ledge on the walls.
And
We started to collect a few bits and pieces.
Yeah.
And in here is our disabled toilet.
Oh, very cool.
Almost ready.
Yeah.
No light in here, but we have a toilet, a basin, and a shower for the staff to shower after work. All focus from Monday will be on the bar.
Right.
We'll be ordering fridges. We have cable trays coming
Okay.
from the Netherlands to run our cables on the soffit, the ceiling.
Wow.
And then the last job will be creating our display. Yeah, you can put the light in there, baby. Put the light in here, baby.
This is Veroshka, our lovely Veroshka. We haven't met her yet. So up at the top will be the
The bureau.
Yeah.
With a beautiful new staircase with terraced displays on either side of the staircase for pots, plants, ceramics. And then the last job is polishing and cleaning the floor, which you can see would be impossible at the moment.
Yes.
But we're on track for completing the project, I'd say, within 4 weeks, which is good.
Wow.
So there you go.
And you're going to leave the ceiling where it is?
Yes, it's too much of an expensive project to do anything other than what you'll see up there is cable tray, and lighting. And the lighting will be shining on.
Pretty cool in here, huh?
It's beautiful and cool in here. Beautiful and warm in winter, I'm thinking. So.
Oh, it's not a bad office.
It's not bad. It's not bad. We've started to procure some bits and pieces. We've started to paint a few bits and pieces. I think that's the next piece of furniture to be restored. So it's all good.